Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So here's the trim pieces after I sanded down the lab metal. So you can see this, it leaves behind like an aluminum based fill. I got it pretty smooth. In retrospect, I probably didn't need to coat the whole piece because I did have to sand a ton to get it off. I probably should have just, filled the little dents in pits and then just sand them out and smooth it. But anyway, this will help strengthen it and make it a little thicker. And I covered the back. I didn't sand the back. This goes up against the frame of the car. You don't see it. But, again, it fills in some of the rust, makes it a little more rigid. So then the next step is to, I might sand them a little more. Yeah, there's a little bit of an edge there. It's mostly smooth. But next step will be to prep it for powder coating and cover it with the chrome powder coat, and I'll let you know how that turns out.